In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Bitbucket Project. Before we begin, a quick note: removing a project can impact repositories, access controls, and integrations associated with it. Make sure you have the right permissions in your workspace and that you've saved or migrated anything you still need. Start by opening your web browser and going to bitbucket.org. Sign in if you aren't already, and select the correct workspace at the top if you manage more than one. This ensures you're working in the right place and won't accidentally remove the wrong project. From the left sidebar, click on Projects. This takes you to a list of all projects within the selected workspace. Each project groups related repositories and settings, so take a moment to identify the exact project you want to delete. It helps to verify the project name and key, and, if needed, review which repositories live inside it so you're completely confident you're targeting the right one. Next, select the project and open it. You'll land on the project's overview, where you can quickly scan what's inside. If anything looks unfamiliar, pause and double-check with your team or confirm that backups or transfers are complete. Inside the project, look for project settings. Depending on your layout and permissions, this may appear as settings in the sidebar. If you don't see it, you may not have administrative access and will need someone with higher permissions to proceed. Open the settings area to manage configuration options specific to this project. Within settings, go to project details. This page shows the project's name, key, and description. Consider this your final review screen. If the details don't match what you intend to remove, back out now. If everything looks correct, you're in the right place to proceed. Finally, click Delete Project. Bitbucket will usually ask you to confirm the deletion, often by typing the project name or key, just to make sure this isn't accidental. Read any warning messages carefully, especially those mentioning how repositories and permissions will be affected. Once you confirm, the project is deleted and cannot be recovered. Give the system a moment to process, and then verify that the project no longer appears in your projects list. That's it. You've successfully navigated to Bitbucket, opened projects, selected the correct project, gone into project settings and project details, and completed the delete action. As a best practice, communicate changes like this to your team in advance, create backups when necessary, and limit deletion rights to trusted admins. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you manage your Bitbucket workspace confidently.